Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Tanaji Mure, and today's date is 2 January, 2 June, 2 June 2022, and today's video topic is what is SQL. So, first we can see what is SQL. SQL is a standard language of accessing and manipulating databases. So SQL stands for structured query language, and SQL lets you access and manipulate databases. SQL become a standard of the American National Standards Institutes ANSI in 1986, and of the International Organization for Standardization ISO in 1987. SQL can execute queries against a database, and SQL can retrieve data from a database. SQL it can insert records in the database, and it can update records in the database, and it can delete records from the database, and it can create a new databases. It can create a new table, new tables in a database, and it can create stored procedures in a databases. It can SQL can create views in database. SQL can set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. To build a website that shows data from the database, you will need first an RDBMS database program, that is MS Access, SQL Server, and MySQL. So to use a server side scripting language like PHP or ASP, etc. To use SQL to get the data you want, and to use HTML and CSS to style the pages. And next point is RDBMS. So what is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. The RDBMS is the basis for SQL, and for all modern databases, modern database systems such as MySQL Server, IBM database, DB2, Oracle, MySQL, and Microsoft Access, and the data in RDBMS stored in the database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entries, and it consists of columns and rows. So that's all about the SQL. What is SQL, and what is RDBMS, and why use the how to use SQL, Uh, Thank you, friends.